Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new product that is KinCony S3. The S3 means the ESP32-S3 Core Board. And let's look at this is in front of it and this is the back. And this board also you can see that support install on the DIN rail. Just you can install in your power distribution box, just it's very small. So you can see this is the size of this box. And this one, you can see, and this one. And let's look at this one. Okay. And this is the 4G module we have installed, but the default config is without the 4G module. And also we'll have this RF receiver module, and I will open this box and look at the PCB board in details. And we can open this screw. Okay, you can see just this have a plastic shoe, and this is inside, and we can get out this board. And you can see at the back of this board that is W5500, that is the Ethernet chip. This have support by the ESPHome, because this board also can use for ESPHome in Home Assistant. And I can remove this 4G module. Because it's removable. So the default is used by this board without 4G module. This is SIM7600 that can use 4G. Also have the GPS function. This have a GPS antenna socket. And in this board you can see there are some different interface. And this is for the reset, and this is for download, the firmware download. This have two buttons. And you can see this socket is removable. We can remove this socket. It's easy to connect with your wire. Okay, we can look at every pin defined. And this is the DC. This is power supply that support DC 9 to 24 volt DC power supply. And this have A and B. That is IS485, A and B, IS485 bus. And this have the SDA and SCL. That's used by the I2C bus. And this is the 3 volt, and this is the ground. So this is I2C bus. So you can extend this board for many different I2C board. For example, you can integrate this KinCony DI8. This is for the input module. So this also you can see that is I2C, SDA, and SCL. So you can connect with this two board for extend the input. And if you want extend the output, you can see. So you can see this is KinCony D08, that is digital output. So this have 8-channel relay, but it also you can see that used by I2C bus, STA, and SCL. So you can connect this either the input or this is the output, and work with this small core board together. That will be flexible. You can extend how many channels, just it's up to you. So you can see this is a 4G socket. It's a 4G socket, so you just plug in, just use this socket. And this one have the Ethernet, and this is USB-C for download the firmware for this USB for this ESP32-S3. And we have used this, you can see, ESP32-S3 module. And this is N16R8, so it's very big memory and PS RAM. And also you can see at here that have 3 volt, and this temp 1 and temp 2, that 2-channel 1-wire sensor. So you can connect with a temperature sensor or humidity sensor such as DS18B20 or DHT11, DHT22, just two 1-wire GPIO. And this you can see ground. And this have analog input, 4-channel analog input, just this 4-channel. But this time we have designed this 4 jump. That's 4 jump and 4 this analog input. So you can change or you can set the analog is for voltage signal or the analog is for current signal. So just use this jump. So at the left, that is input DC 0 to 5 volt voltage sensor. And if you set at the right, that you can connect with 4 to 20 milliampere analog sensor. So this can change different channel. For example, the first channel is voltage, and the second channel is current, and the third channel is voltage, or the fourth channel is current. So you can set this different channel for voltage and current independently. So this is for analog, and this is the board. And also if you have installed this F module for 33 MHz, that's this one, this receive, so that you can use your remote. To send the IF signal, and this will be received and decoded. So this is very small PCB board, but this has some different interface on this small board. So that will help you to make some IoT project, but it's very small. Okay, thanks for watching.